All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're going to demystify one of the most powerful tools you have for managing your health, the Diabetic Diet Meal Plan. We're going to break it all down into clear, simple, and totally doable steps. Let's get to it. So, if you've recently been told you need to follow a diabetic diet, it is completely normal to feel, well, a little overwhelmed. But don't you worry, we're here to help turn that confusion into confidence, starting with the absolute basics. So, what even is a diabetic diet meal plan? Let's get one thing straight. This is not about deprivation. It's about empowerment. Think of it as your personal roadmap to managing your blood sugar, all through delicious, nutrient-packed foods, smart portions, and really well-balanced meals. It puts you in the driver's seat. So why is this so important? I mean, really, what's in it for you? Because this plan is so much more than just a diet. It's a seriously powerful tool with some incredible benefits for your health and just your daily life. And the best part, all these benefits are totally connected. When you get better blood sugar control, which is, the main goal, managing your weight gets easier. And when you make those heart-healthy choices, you lower your risk for cardiovascular disease. The end result? Your energy levels are more stable and you just feel better overall. It's a win-win-win. So how do we get all those amazing benefits? Well, it all comes down to 3 core building blocks. Macronutrients. Seriously, understanding these 3 is the foundation for every single healthy and satisfying meal you're going to make. First up, let's talk about carbohydrates. And no, carbs are not the enemy. We're just focusing on the good guys here, the complex carbs. Things like whole grains, beans, and all those yummy vegetables. They give you a nice, steady release of energy, which helps prevent those wild blood sugar spikes and crashes you get from the simple stuff. Next on the list, protein. Lean sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and eggs are going to be your best friends. Why? Well, they support your muscle health, but just as important, they keep you feeling full and satisfied, and that is absolutely key to preventing overeating. And finally, let's chat about fats. The key isn't to avoid them, but to choose the right ones. Healthy fats from things like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are actually essential for protecting your heart. See? It's all about finding that perfect balance between these 3. Okay. So the theory is great, but let's get practical. How does this actually look in your grocery cart and on your plate? This is going to be your simple guide to what to eat and what to maybe ease up on. It'll make shopping a total breeze. Here's a fantastic way to picture what your plate should look like. Try to fill half of it, half, with non-starchy veggies like spinach or broccoli. Then add a serving of fruit to get those awesome vitamins. And finally, complete your meal with a good lean protein source. It's a simple formula that guarantees a balanced, powerful meal every single time. Now, knowing what to load up on is just half the battle. It's just as important to know what to limit. Things like soda, chips, pastries, basically foods high in refined sugars and unhealthy stats. They can cause your blood sugar to spike really fast. The goal isn't to be perfect, but just to be mindful of how these things affect your body. So, what does this all look like in a real, typical day? Let's walk through a sample meal plan that's not only totally manageable, but also delicious and, believe it or not, super satisfying. Okay, check this out. You could start your day with some oats and berries and a boiled egg for that protein punch. For lunch, maybe a grilled chicken salad with a nice olive oil dressing. You've got your protein and healthy fats right there. Dinner could be grilled salmon with some steamed broccoli. And even your snacks, like a handful of nuts or some Greek yogurt, are balanced. See how every meal brings in our core building blocks? Of course, whenever you start something new, you're bound to have questions. So let's go ahead and tackle some of the most common ones to help you feel even more confident as you get started. Here's a big one. What's the deal with meal frequency? Should you stick to the classic 3 meals a day? Or is there maybe a better way to do it? Let's find out. The name of the game is consistency. Eating smaller, balanced meals or snacks every 3 to 4 hours is a fantastic way to keep your blood sugar levels stable. It helps you avoid those really high peaks and those really low valleys. What about fruit? I mean, with all this talk about sugar, it's a really common concern. So is fruit totally off limits now? No, absolutely not. Fruit is a wonderful, healthy part of this plan. The key is just to choose fruits that have a lower glycemic index, which just means they have less of an impact on your blood sugar. So think berries, apples, pears, and just remember to enjoy them in moderation. Life is full of birthdays, holidays, and celebrations, right? So, what about those times when you want to indulge a little? Are cheat meals a thing? Being flexible is so important for any plan to actually stick, and occasional indulgence is perfectly fine. The real trick is to change your mindset from cheating to planning. If you know a special dinner is coming up, just plan for it. This is all about making conscious choices, not about feeling guilty. So, the big takeaway here is this. A diabetic diet meal plan is not about restriction. It is a powerful tool. It's a proactive way for you to manage your health, to improve how you feel every day, and to really enhance your quality of life. At the end of the day, this is all about empowering you to make positive changes. So I'll leave you with this question. What's the first healthy choice that you're going to make today?